I'm back. I'm back to Resident Evil. This is part 4. Part 4 of the series. I just spilled out my monster, which is quite unfortunate. You know, I spilled some of my monster out. So, alright. Why did I look at the paper? I don't even know what the paper says. Bro, can I read it? Okay. Okay, I'm not reading all that. I'm not reading all that. Okay, what do we have here? Do we have medicine? Okay, what's this key is for? Dissection room key. Where is the dissection room? Downstairs? Can we heal? You can't heal, right? Why? We don't have medicine? Oh shit, we don't have medicine. Shotgun shells, handgun ammo. Oh no. I'm preparing for battle. Okay. Sip my monster. Yum. Gotta be careful, cause we're on low health. Is this the dissection room? No, it's a workshop. Is this the dissection room? Can I? No, I can't. Oh my god, where is the dissection room? The dissection room! I don't want to see no monsters here. I think he dealt with everyone. But I still hate the sound. I hate the sound of this slime man. The slime man is coming for me. Oh, fuck. Oh, that scared me. Jesus Christ. I command you with the power of God and enemy and Jesus on my... Oh, look at that. It doesn't fit this lock. What do you mean? The fuck do you mean? This is not the dissection... This is not the dissection room! Where? Bro, where? Scaring me. Oh wow, Senna discovers that horror game is scary. Oh, jeebers bunkers. Jeebers boopers. What am I even saying at this point? I'm not going crazy, you guys hear that too, right? Oh. Thank God. Oh no, we are here where we came from. No, where is the dissection room? It should be downstairs, like. I'm so done with this. Where? You can use it. Well. Okay, alright. Let me see my monster. I can't believe we were here before and I didn't see it. Can we lock the door? It's too loud outside. Oh my god, is it the red dog's head? Oh! Oh, look at that. Ooh. Is that the Policeum and... Is that the police? What did they do to you, friend? Friend. Friend, are you okay, friend? Bestie.
I was gonna be a father.
Oh
Now she says he will be her father. No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
Oh my god, I am so scared. What in the world is this game? I don't wanna play this game no more. Shotgun shells. Well, that's useless. Okay. I'm so scared. Do you hear it? I hear it too. Herbs! Fucking finally. Fucking finally. I can't fucking believe it. It's just a game. It's just a game. Don't worry, girl. It's just a game. It's just a game. Nothing else. It's just a game. You can do it.
Poor deputy.
Ew. Are those worms? No, it's just... It's just him. Doing his thing. Doing his thing. Oh, is there anything here? He took it! He took the horse head! The fuck am I supposed to do? What was that for? Bruh. Why did we kick it? Bruh. No, that's a bait. I'm not taking the bait. The fuck, I'm not taking the fucking bait. I know it's a bait. Like, I know he wants me to do that. It's gonna be a boss fight, right? It's a bait for sure. Isn't there like a save point or anything I can put this, use the scorpion key and make some, you know, gunpowder or something? Isn't there like a safe space? A space where I'm safe? That is it, so that is it, okay. I have no choice. Boss fight it is. Just don't scare me too much. You don't have enough space. I don't have enough space. Oh my god. Do I have to go? I have to go back all there? Because I don't have space? Oh my god. This is my save point? No, oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is so hideous. This is hideous. Watch me getting lost in the dissection, finding the dissection room again. Bruh, brother. Alright, we're gonna go back to our saving point. I can't believe the game is making me do this. Okay, let's go finally back, okay? This time, nothing is stopping us. Nothing. Nothing is stopping us. Like, I'm not going back anymore here, okay? Unless I die, but I'm not gonna die. Guys, I promise this is going to be a first time, first served, first time, first kill kind of thing. First time, first ever, first. The firsties. Man, I'm a genius. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just stressed, you know. I'm just a little stressed, thinking about having to boss fight and all that. Oh, my back hurts. Crack my back. We're gonna get the gunpowder, get some gunpowder. We are not starting until I said so. Let's make some nice, okay, boss fight it is. I knew it! I wasn't surprised! I knew it! I knew it! Didn't I knew it? I knew it. My back. My back. Oh, fuck me. Where is he? Oh. Oh. Are you serious? Are you genuinely loading your shotgun?
You think you gonna hurt me?
Yeah, I think so. I think I can. Run! Run! ごめんなさい。ほらほらほらほら。ほらほらほらほら。Chainsaw? A chainsaw? We have a chainsaw?
That's not Ruby.
We are reloading. Ooh, why am I not running? What the fuck am I not running for? I'm scared. What the fuck? Oh.
That's it. You look worried, boy.
I look worried? No, I'm not. Shut. Why does it take so long for you to load a fucking shotgun? Oh yo 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 yo. Oh yo 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 yo. Oh yo 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 yo. Oh yo 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 yo. Oh yo yo. Jeepers. Jeepers. Oh. Oh. Come on.
That's it.
Oh, I am so concentrated, guys. I'm super locked in. That's why I'm not yapping. I should be yapping. Or should I be yapping? I am yapping. Whatever. I'm rapping. Oh, gee. Is it over? Are we over yet? Did we do it? Oh, we did it. He dead. He dead. It's over. Is it over? Are we over?
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Eh? Eh? Is that it? Did he die? I don't see him evaporating. I don't see him evaporating. I hope he won't recover. Was that a boss fight? Guys, don't tell me that is it. Well, I mean, it was kind of difficult. I know. I set the game on easy mode. I know. The story mode for the story, because I'm a bunny. I'm a scaredy cat, or whatever you can call me. But come on. Kin believes. Do you think he's that? I don't think he's that. Look, I mean, he can regenerate so easily. Oh my god. Okay, I had to look it up because I was confused. You have to chainsaw your way out. Why didn't I realize this before? Come on. Come on. My dumbass. What is gonna break? Of course. One OP weapon away. I use my medicine. Why didn't I realize this before? Why didn't I realize this before? I shouldn't have used my medicine. But I pressed control, cause of course I did. Cause of course I did. Like, why wouldn't I? Like, honestly, genuinely. Is the door unlocked yet? Nope. Well. Okay, guys, it wasn't that scary. I would rate this... Whatever, why am I rating things already? Alright. I wouldn't call it scary. It was pretty good. It was a good fight. I enjoyed it. Where am I going? Going back. Hit it. Oh, my mouse. Oh, going crazy. Use all my shotguns. So oh, where am I going? So my point is I have used all my shotgun ammo, so I'm hoping that what? Granny. Can't attack her? Granny, what are you doing here, Granny? Granny. Are you a friend or fool? We are friends now. Look at her little cute scarf. Look at that. So cute. You didn't attack me, so you're my friend. Okay. Let's get to the point. Oh wait, first we gotta save. Would be great if I hadn't. Okay, I have space for this, so I'm gonna... Nope. Nope. Still haven't learned. Scorpion key. Whatever is that used for? It is used for something. What am I saying? Is that because I'm scared? Maybe. Oh, Lord Jesus. I hope they give me more medicine, cause... Oh, did I save? I didn't save, right? I'm a genius. Why didn't I save? I was there. Oh, the granny is gone. What the fuck? Ooh. Where did he go? Where did she go? Not to assume. Look at me going in the wrong direction again. She's still singing? No. Ooh. Ooh. So are we going home now? Madame? Sir? Stabilizer. So the Scorpion key doesn't work. Max held indefinitely. What? Steroids increase max health definitively. What? They do? What? How do I get these? There's a family photo. Van is still working. Someone is still living here. Oh, Well, somebody is having a really hard time turning into a zombie or something. Bruh, really? Really? Are we really inspecting her, bruh? For real, for real? Oh, a gun. A broken handgun. How do I repair it? Alright, this is of no use. I hope my handgun won't break, so there's that. Oh, I could save here. Then why did I go back there? Something must be here. Okay. Okay, so is that it? Is that really it? Shouldn't she be like phone calling me or something? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, nice fridge. What's there? No. Actually, let me look at the fridge. Come on. There must be something here, right? How'd I crouch? Oh, crouch. No, don't close the fridge. I wanna... Bruh. I wanna look what's in the fridge. There must be a medicine, right? No? No? Okay. So there is nothing here. I was just about to go outside.
You made it.
Yep.
You're the first I've ever seen make it this far.
So what is it you need me to do? Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and I, our bodies are contaminated.
Oh,
I can't
Southern
leave the
accent.
property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need the serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body. As long as you're not too far gone.
Alright, so where is it?
If I knew where one was, I'd already be long gone. But I have a feeling my mother has hidden some inside the old house.
Why don't you go
somewhere.
get it?
So if we get this thing, I can help Mia and we can get out of here?
Right. And so can I. The old house is near the water. You can't miss it.
Alright.
I just hope you can handle my mother.
Your mother?
Be careful. They'll be looking for you.
I should have gotten my chainsaw. You know Ultra Kill? My chainsaw tactic? Yeah. Yeah, we should... I should have got my chainsaw. Oh my. Please tell me there's something here. A shed. I can't go inside the shed. It's a head, okay? No head. What? Pills. Supplement. Pills that can make them into medicines first. Okay. What do I combine this with? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Sharpens the senses. I think I just used some good medicine for this kind of pill, which is kind of shitty. I don't need the sharpening senses thing. There must be something here, right? Something I can use as medicine, like... When people say go touch grass, is this what they mean? Because I'm touching grass right now. Never mind. What am I yapping? So, old house by the lake. Okay, there is only one way to go. I can't miss it, right? See, there's a road here. Oof. Woof woof. I have a bad feeling about this. Those. Isn't there an island with those? Isn't that in South America? I think you know what I mean. And it's very creepy. I wanna go there. Do you think it's haunted? Like, what are the chances? One doll must be haunted from all the... Ew. What a horrible surprise. What did I get? Medicine! I got a medicine. Can we eat them? Ooh, grandma's tail. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's her domain. Okay. Oh! Plan for some flamethrower? What? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Gee. Where is it? Is it still flying? Scared me. You're not. Where is it? Is it still flying? Is it dead? Why was that here? Oh. Okay, okay. I think it was kind of cute. Would I keep it as a pet? No, but I would pet it. Maybe. So, it's a bad idea, right? Oh yeah, a flame. That's what you need the flamethrower for. I made a mistake here. Should. You know what? Because I was stupid. I was dumb. I'm gonna load another save data because I lost a lot of health. I don't think I can find anything. I don't want to use my medication. Not for this. I know, it's just to be careful. Just to be extra careful. my god. Never mind. I think I'm gonna do this on low health. I changed my mind. Oh. So I should get the flamethrower first. She's upstairs, don't go up. What do you want me to do then? How do I get there? Cause there is no way I get there, right? My god. There's water here. Can I just go into the water? Why can't I? Oh, because the brain eating amoebas. Okay. Makes sense. What? She's upstairs, don't go up. Are you serious? Was just here a moment ago. Old house map. I can't use maps. I think I told you. Don't throw maps at me. It's gonna be useless. Okay, so I got nothing. Alright. What? No, this is dumb. No. No, I should get that. Yeah. A spider thingy. Ooh, what do I combine this with? Can I combine this with something? No, okay. So like, does it work? No, I have to combine it with something. Alright. Chem fluid. Fine, let's use the medicine. I got chem fluid. Oh, but I don't have space anymore, right? God damn. What am I gonna do if I don't have space? Oh, I can carry more item. Okay. Okay, alright. I see you. Wait, what is on the photograph? In the fireplace, okay. No, no, don't. Okay, let's put this here. I hear water. Wartime photojournalism. What is up? What's the water coming from? Oh, it's the head. Bubble head. Oh! Destroy a Mr. Everywhere statue. Great! I didn't know there was an achievement like that. You got an achievement. Is there anything here other than that? No? No, no, no. So where do I get the spider from? Huh. The music is menacing. Something is off, right? What? Why are they dodging? Come at me. Why won't you come at me? What? One down. What's this? Solid fuel. Can I combine this with the... Oh. Oh. Now that's what I'm talking about. Is that what? Combine this with the flamethrower. Oh. No. Did I do something wrong? I wanted to combine this for the flamethrower. No? God damn it. God damn it. I'm just running around in circles. Oh my god, you Jesus Christ. Got him. Got him? Sir, you're disgusting, I have to say. Slash. Finally, some good fucking shit. So, like, what do I do? What do I do? Why can't I use the flamethrower? Why can't I use the flamethrower? What the fuck? For the serum search. Oh, so annoying. Shotgun shells, okay. Oh, shit. The flame. How do I use a flamethrower? That's not it. I'm gonna check how to use this flamethrower. Okay, I'm looking it up because I'm confused. God damn. Are you? How would I have seen that? How would I have seen that it was here? It didn't tell me. It didn't tell me. That's not it. That's not only it, okay? No way. This is dumb. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Okay, I'm missing something. Spider looking thingy. I'm missing a spider looking thingy. What if I use the serum? There's something here. Something outside? Gunpowder. That's not what I need. Oh my god! Jesus! Okay, let's go. I mean, not here. I'm gonna go back. Not here. Reorganize my bag. Yep, that's what I'll do. Oh my, I missed. I used a shot. I used a shot. What the fuck? Okay, duh. This won't work, duh. This won't work. Then what will work? I can make it through there. I can make it through there. Getting confused by in a minute. Solid fuel. Combine. Yeah, combine. Yeah, combine. I said combine. Fuck. How do you... What do you want me to do? Is that it that I just can't combine things? Flamethrower should work. The flamethrower should work. I'm in the wrong. I'm so. Oh, no, I'm not gonna go there. No, wrong direction. There's no. Not a nice picture. Oh, February 8th. 802. Ooh, crack my back. Crack my back, cause I'm on crack. It's so good to live here in peace, not fighting monsters every time. Nope, we are not doing that. So like, what do you expect me to do? Go outside? You want me to go outside? You want me to get eaten by bugs? Is that what you want? Is that it? Oh, that one is locked. Select an item. Is this the Scorpio key that we need? Don't tell me it's the Scorpio King that we need. Oh my god, why did I not think of this before? Oh my god. Go. Run faster. Solid fuel. Sleep my monster. Surely the Scorpio key is what we need here. Am I right or am I right? There's no way I'm wrong. I mean, it doesn't really fit there, right? So why the Scorpio key? Oh, wrong direction. Wrong direction. Guys, I didn't bring the Scorpio key with me. I didn't equip it. Let's go back for it. I can't believe this. What am I even yapping about at this point? I'm just yapping just to yap. Where is the Scorpio key? Why isn't it here? Oh, whatever. We went back for it. We went back for the key. I am crying. What is this? If you tell me it's not the Scorpio key, I'm gonna cry. I think I found everything. There's no way I have missed something. No. I wasted ammo. I wasted ammo again. Fuck this. Fuck this. Why did I waste ammo? I wasted ammo. Why did I waste ammo? Can I make shotgun shell? I wasted shotgun. At least we have the Scorpio key, right? Yeah, we have it! Hell yeah! What else is used for? Like, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Oh! Can I? What if I just... Huh? So there is no way to do that, okay? Okay. I got you. I got you. Now I have my key. My trusty key. And, yeah. That is it. Do you guys have the chills? I don't. Come on. What do I do? What do I do? I'm confused. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, alright, okay. Alright, I see. Okay. My bad. I was dumb. I didn't look here. I should have looked, but I didn't. Because I was dumb. I was dumb. I admit it. I admit it. I just didn't see it. I can escape, right? They won't hurt me, right? I just didn't see it. I didn't see that wait. I just didn't. It is what it is. Now I can craft some medicine. Who needs this key? I don't need this shitty ass key. I only used it for boss fights. Oh no, oh no. Still can combine items. What? I ate the plant. No.